fortify your mind, patibayin mo yung isip mo na, no, wait, I have to mingle to others. I have to know others kasi hindi pwedeng focus lang ako sa isa.
At the
Kasi
end of the day, ang pagkakatiwalaan mo lang is
sarili mo.
Hindi natin kilala lahat dito personally. Trust
Looks
your
can be
guts.
deceiving, kaya trust your guts.
Yeah.
Diba? It's always the first or the physical appearance na mapapansin mo, but it's not the right thing na dapat mong gamitin for your judgment. There's always 3 steps. May tinuro ako kay Pat before kami nagsalita nun. It's like, first, you have to search your heart. Ano ba yung gusto mo? What's your intention? Is it good? Is it right? And then right after your heart, your brain, you organize your thoughts. Ano yung pagkakasunod-sunod mo na dapat mong sabihin? And then, syempre, on your own, at the back of your head, may harsh words, bad words, may good words. So you organize. After you organize, you speak. You speak good words to other people. Not unless, di ba, ikaw lang mag-isa, you're doing on your own. Pero di ba, yung kasalanan kasi hindi lang naman sa isip at sa gawa. Hindi lang sa gawa, kundi pati sa isip. So it's a 3-step. It's your heart, it's your brain, it's your mouth.
Actually,
There's
sa aming
something
dalawa, siya,
There's
mabilis
something
siyang
wrong.
makasense ng tao.
Tsaka sa
Kung
tao.
totoo, hindi. Siya,
Naalala ko yung sinabi mo.
I can
pero
sense
ako,
bad people.
binibigyan ko kasi ng chance. Pero once na may na-feel na ako, yun, nagtutugma kami ng tama ka nga. Kasi ako mabuti naman ako. I mean, like, ako, very maawain, very sweet, mabilis ako magtiwala. Pero once na may na-feel ako, sineset aside ko na yun. Kahit pinaka-close pa kita.
It's never wrong. It's never wrong to follow your heart.
Wala na.
It's always right to follow your heart. But there's also a reason why your brain is on top of your body. Diba?
Yeah.
It controls your emotions. Diba, Ate Noems? Andito naman talaga ang mga emotion natin, sa brain natin.
Sa hypothalamus.
Yeah, hindi mo kailangan na yung heart mo lagi. Kasi parang sa mag-asawa lang yan eh. Hindi sapat na mahal natin ang isa't isa. Hindi tayo mabubuhay na mahal natin ang isa't isa.
Oo nga.
You have to be
Kahit
technical. Finances, decision making, di ba? The relationship, life is a choice, love is a choice. Your partner, you choose this partner every day. Same with here inside, di ba? Masarap i-follow yung heart palagi, pero sometimes our hearts can be deceived.
Totoo yan.
Alam mo, nung 16 years old ako, pakiramdam ko I know everything, I'm strong, and imagine that time, kumbaga, I waited for someone na hindi naman din nagsabi sa akin, antayin ko siya. But I waited her. And nag-pile up siya for 7 years. Now, na-realize ko, going back, kung mababalikan ko yung 16 years old ko na yan, sabi ko, sana pala hindi ako umikot sa isang tao. Sana dinamdam ko yung pagkabata ko, in-enjoy ko yung college life ko, in-enjoy ko yung pagkakataon na I can be free, I can be me. Kasi kung lilimitahan ko lang din yung sarili ko na ito lang yung dapat kong gawin at the age of 16, malilimit lang din yung capabilities ko. When in fact, at your age, dapat you have lots of rooms for improvements, di ba? And even coming adults, may part pa rin sa amin na we still need to develop. Even mom ka na, parang, madidiscover ko to sa anak ko habang pinapalaki ko. What more pa those people like you na? 16? Di ba? Senior high, tapos mag-enter pa ng college, tapos after your college, you'll search for work. Or maybe, if opportunity comes to you, di ba, ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari. So you just have to be open. Don't limit yourself to just one opportunity, one person, one idea. I mean, di ba? Our imaginations can imagine things, even the impossibilities.
Yeah. Kahit na yung birds eh.
Kahit yung bird, kaya kong pagalawin.
Na may mag-step
May
up.
one thing akong tinuro kay Therese.
Kailangan may mag-step up.
Nung nandito pa
Di
siya,
lang
it's
adults.
always
Yes.
it's always the TPM nga. Whenever you want to talk to someone, it's the time, the place, and the mood. Sabi ko kasi kay Therese, nung nagsalita siya nung sa dining, yung gusto niya mag-open forum, sabi ko talaga sa kanya, remember what I told you. It's TPM. What's the time? It's breakfast. What's the place? Dining. So you think ba it is right na dito ka magsalita? Sabi niya naman, kaya niya that time. And what's the mood? Wala pa tayong kain. Hindi pa lahat good mood. Yung iba pangit yung gising, yung iba magandang gising. You need to parang i-check lagi yung TPM.
TPM, okay.
Diba, the time? Usually, pag heart-to-heart talk, pag deep talks, kailan ba magandang oras mag-usap yan? At night. Pag place, ano bang place? Expose mo kayo sa maraming tao? Yung living area ba na kayo lang? Ano yung mood ng kausap mo? Or ano yung mood mo? Gusto mo na bang kausapin yung tao? O yung taong yun, gusto ka na bang kausap? Always check the time, the place, and the mood before you say
Speak.
something. Eh, hindi ako sanay nang hindi nagpopo sa mas nakakatanda sa akin. Or I say kuya or ate. Kasi for me, yun yung values na dala ko talaga din dito. And alam ni Patrick yan kung gaano ako katupi kapag may ibang tao talaga. May isa pang tinuro sa akin, yung pinakamalapit din sa akin sa labas, na always enter a room with an empty cup. Na hindi, parang halimbawa ako, I lead people, I convene thousands of people, nagsasalita ako, dati akong SK chairman, pero dito I'm just like you. We're normal, walang title dito. So kahit may alam ako sa labas, the moment I came here sa bahay ni Kuya, meron akong baso na walang laman and kailangan nyong i-fill yan based on your experiences. Yun yung natutunan ko nung nakikipag one-on-one ako sa inyo na, okay, wala pa akong alam. Okay, ganito yung pinagdadaanan mo. Okay, sige, gets.